Hey guys, first video here. Welcome to my channel. We're gonna do everything about technology, computers, gaming, everything that feels fun at the time. My name is Alpi and I hope you like it. So today we're gonna do an aesthetical upgrade to my PC. I know it's probably not the best choice because I really need a better CPU right now, but I really like to change the case. I want to do a fish tank case, and I got one for cheap. It was like 70 bucks, one of the dark flash ones. I'll show you in a little bit, and I'll move everything I have on my PC to the new case. And I got some budget fans, RGB fans also, so I hope it's gonna look nice. And yeah, let's see. So this is the case I have right now. It's a Fractal, I think Meshify C, something like that. It's a very nice case. It's not modern enough for now. So I'm gonna move everything out of this, clean a little bit, and I'll show you guys the process. This is the GPU I have. It's a really nice one from Orbs. My wife's cup. Yeah, this is for my son. Motherboard. It's a B550, I think, or X570. Oh, it's an X570 or it's Elite Wi-Fi. Yeah, it's not bad. For the AM4 platform, it's one of the best. So, and I have a Ryzen 5 3600. I want to upgrade to a 5800X or 5800XT. I'm just waiting for Black Friday for some better deals. Nothing fun on removing the PSU, guys, but I'm just gonna record it for the sake of it. This is just a budget power supply. It's not a very popular brand, but it's cheap here in Canada, so it makes sense. This is going, or I might do a build for my wife on this. I'll just clean it really good. So it has really good airflow, so I might still use it for another build. Cleaning everything up and preparing it for the new case. Just show you guys a little bit. This brush, it's a small soft brush. I got it on AliExpress. It's actually for car detailing, but it does the job. So I'll just dust everything a little bit. This is good. Looking good. It's a very nice looking GPU. This is it. This is for the cooler. It's a cheap Cooler Master cooler. I got it used off of Facebook. My CPU is not very power hungry, so it's gonna be fine. Okay, that's it with the fans. Next we have the cooler, the tower cooler itself. I'll just see what I can do. It's a 212 Hilo RGB, something like that. They are doing too many models on the 212, so I don't remember the correct name exactly. This is it, guys. The Dark Flash DH285. It's a 3-side glass panel on the case, and it looks really nice. There is no way to mount any fans or coolers on top for an EIO or something like that, but the 3-side glass looks pretty cool. So this is it. It's this way. I think it's gonna look sick. That was close. So this was 69 before tax, and in Ontario it's like 13% tax, so 75 something. I don't think anything can beat it for that price, even though you can get some more expensive ones with fans pre-installed. But anyways, it's still very cheap. I forgot these Trident Z-Royal RGB RAM sticks. The best DDR4 at least looking RAM sticks that they ever made, I'm pretty sure. Okay, let's get going with the build. There is a 5-volt RGB cable here, I don't know what it's for. Oh, it's for this one. It's RGB, I didn't know. So apparently this line here is RGB, so 5-volt one, so I'll be able to control it from the software. That's a nice bonus I didn't know about. And this is included on the case, just screws and some zip ties. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change the CPU cooler first because it's easier outside the build, outside the case, and then I'll get back to the case. Let's release the screws a little bit at a time, so you don't put too much pressure on one side of the CPU at a time. I'll just clean the old CPU paste a little bit. Looks like the CPU is scratched a little bit on top. I don't know how it happened, but that's fine. Okay, so I'll just do some fresh thermal paste on the CPU. I like to do on X using this Arctic MX4. It's a nice thermal paste, and I like to do an X because the P doesn't spread very nice. So I'll just do a thin X. Okay, this is probably unnecessary, but it's better to have more than less. Let's do this. We'll do a little bit at a time on each one, just to secure it first, and then we can screw it all the way down. Now that it's on place, we can screw it all the way. And since we're here, I'll change the RAM sticks too. Put it on place and push it until you hear that click. 1, 2, that's it. Now let's install the CPU fan. Now we're ready for the case. Let's get in with the case. I'll use some new motherboard screws. So I had to put some standoffs for the screws on the ATX, for the ATX sized motherboards. Install one screw carefully, and then it's gonna stay in place. Let's do the GPU next. Nice mechanism. Let's see what of these clips I need to remove. Second and third. Hope that survived. What do you think? Still has some work. So guys, I want the fans to bring air, fresh air inside the case, so they will have to be installed like on this position, because these are not reverse blades, so yeah, it's not gonna look the best, but it's gonna work best for the airflow. Okay, it's not as bad as I thought, so this is how I'm gonna install them. I have to install this one on the back for exhaust, because I don't have another RGB one at the moment. Now let's run all the cables on the back, and then we'll have to install the PSU. Okay guys, now it's time to try it on. Let's see what we did. Okay. It's not bad for a budget upgrade. Guys, look at this. It turned out very beautiful. I love it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate it, and see you on the next video. Like and subscribe if you liked it. And yeah, that's it. Thank you.